you guys know a lot of things, so I will like let you know. Sure you get. So like now I'm going to the profile. You see about CTP9. If you have friends, any stuff like that, if you get view like this too, you're good to go. Get me? So now, um, we'll switch this page to normal account because this page now you been deep professional dashboard stuff you get to. So I just turn them off first. So now I'm gonna start to try give. Uh, okay, now edit profile. If you see the profile now, you will notice it's something like Philadelphia. That be the location of the this thing, the profile details you get. So adding bio now optional stuff, but at least you could just add bio like just put stuff like just some kind of random stuff you gave me. So you know we describe yourself as basically say cow. You get add cover photo if possible. See this picture with you. No go add something like this. So you find your sorry, you go find your person your working picture where you go use for work. See this friends now like see this bit now look at the get sharp friends. So if you need every tutorial if you want to get something like this to you can kindly send it in. You get me? So now moving on. So now before you go do anything now like click on viewers. These viewers now will show you how your profile look like if person come your profile. You see am ba. See as the bit ba. So now observe something now. Okay, make I just make one post. Okay, sorry, I cannot do this one. Make I just do the normal marketplace stuff. Sorry, going to the marketplace now, you go see something like this. Before you go post anything for marketplace, do this thing. This locate me here. Automatically, bro. You will see something like this getting done. And firstly, you guys use GPS stuff. You get me? Change your GPS to tally into your profile where you go use. You get. So now look at all these things already. And now look at person put something like this TV and all that. So now look at the seller. If you see the seller now, if you see the seller now, you can see some. No, no, if you remember, I told you if you want to buy you, those optional stuff. See the seller now, not like buy you there, but automatically people they buy stuff from the seller and shake it. So you don't really go five, you don't put too much stuff because some of them are going to do it too. With the packs too much info for your this thing. Sorry, my voice is not too clear. Sha. So you could just take it in mind, say like now only marketplace stuff you want to work on. You know, no, like if you put bio bots, now those optional stuff. The reason why they say I repeat, the reason why they say say many of them are like they won't do it too no. With the pack some now we will use AI right stuff for bio like you get me. So all this kind of thing you don't need that bro. You just focus on waiting you want to do for the every shit you get me bro. Okay, so now moving on. If you scroll small, you see something like car, you see about see something like this. So now if you check this car now, this is an old model car, check the price, 1,700. My bro, if you post something like this at first, Facebook no would see no be you go carry car of 7K dollars, go the post, if you go the you get me. So I will show you how you could take like get info like this, you get me? This kind of info of car, really like this. Well, I don't even need to show yourself. You go Pinterest. You did Pinterest for your but I'm not gonna let me use that Pinterest soon because most Pinterest photos some people don't use them. Give me. So and if you see something like that, you see you go post something we don't they posted already. And that's how they go touch your marketplace. So now click on sell. If you click on selling now, you're going to be seeing something like this, my bro. So like watch all this stuff like before you even click on selling and all that, you will just first come to some kind of so just give some kind of engagement. Like if you just comment some kind of thing, looks cool, blah blah blah. You don't need to do too much. So if you no go subscribe to you like that, you get me. So just do normal human stuff. Like especially for those of now we just created accounts. You get me? If you need the Facebook tutorial on how to create USC account, Sharp Yankee account, if you see direct Yankee, no go fit come for Yankee. Go to social fix up, you get me? So, or you just if you need to do that, drop on for conversation, make I know. So now before clicking on setting, if you just go to like normal feed now, just you put some kind of likes, like one or two like one or two posts, you get me, bro. So now go back to marketplace. This one I want to just do like warming up. You could all warm up the account first before you go fit. They click on anything like sell. You get me? Yeah, so if you just scroll like 1 2 3 4 5 minutes, maybe you see how people they post their marketplace listings. Sure you get me? So you say you go know the next thing what you go do. You get to like now. Okay. Now look at the description where this guy put. You see about maybe you now you will go carry one description where AI go write for you. You can't put them for the info of car. You see this thing about like the information of the car, the details. You get me? So you could take note of all these things before you say they upload your own. You get so if you want to get info of cars or all that, no go upload AI generated image because some people they like some nigga now why person no want to share on some kind of things because when I go to do overdo. Yeah. You get so try to upload like realistic cars and info you get of which you want post. Maybe the one we see just get short info. So now okay, if you want post at marketplace if you want make marketplace posts, you get you go don't do like a lot of things, but not like not I'm not going to be saying it's going to happen in any like a lot of people Facebook account you get so you could also guys do some kind of verification like number 2FE, set up your 2FE. If you know how to set up 2FE, you go to settings, go to this place now, go to settings. So now go to account center, then go to account password and security. Then see here that face verification where I talk for my channel. If you never join my channel, try go to my YouTube profile. You will see my channel link there if you join my WhatsApp channel. So now try do this face verification selfie. You get they will like ask you for some kind of info. You get just one or two questions and you could just use your normal face. Don't want to be anything. You get me? So it's immediately this face will just want to confirm whether you be a real human being for the like many people use bots for accounts. You get so now turn on two-factor authenticator. So now to turn on two-factor authenticator, you guys get authentication app, either Google Authenticator or Duo. You get so now turning it on now. You go like make sure say okay, Facebook will even like at least who you say okay like this so this will not be anyhow account so you get so now I go pause this video. I'll show you after I don't turn on the two-factor authenticator how the account will be. You get me? So another thing again, take note your your phone. You guys the like your phone time zone. You guys for Nigeria. You get look at now. See you this guys like look at everything you show you. This guys is 100. They gave me back. One of the things we did ABC. I use Subscribe number one, and I use it's your column GPS stuff and all that. You get so like 100 now. You're good to go. Now I'm not going to be giving the video on or showing where I actually run the authenticator, but at least you say if you don't know where, like if you run the Google authentication, you get by downloading this thing Google authenticator, like on normal this thing on Play Store or App Store, anyone you did it. So now checking maps now, you go see my location they were in Philadelphia, yeah. So now look at it, mean like see like at the show now have stuff again. So you do something like this close to Philadelphia. Yeah. So now after all this now, you know we just rush this. Okay, you just want to upload stuff for this thing for Facebook. You get me? So like you guys get your info of which you want post down first. You jot them down, like save them up down. Like like one car, at least 13 to 15 photos is okay. You get me? And even the main price you see for where I will show you now. You go like remove small. You get. So if you post first post for marketplace, no they expect to make you just rush CTM. You get. And just post and say okay, you just want post and just as you post and just log out. Or if you they watch some kind of this thing for your this thing for your accounts, you get me. So now take notes, set your time to the Yankee time, you get me? And your location is supposed to look like this. Your location will be on. You get because sometimes if you want to post something for Facebook Marketplace, they will ask you for this thing, access to your location. Sure you get. So now, moving on. Once you have reached marketplace like this, you click on sell. Before you click on sell, you do the same thing I like actually said the other time. Like if you just go on post, like you get okay, look at if you even post car we need repair itself, that will not be anything to look normal. Look at the wine, look at the put wine for your description because automatically meta feels flagger. You get so that kind of thing now. So now go here now, go to sales, click on plus sign here, go to vehicle. Already the features of vehicle don't do there already, so you could just fill in the details. So now okay, you can actually upload video too. So now look at what they're showing you. So now I'll pause the video now, I'll show now like site where if you get a car info and they come so like to know what you could just feel for you because some of them now just go put wrong info for you. You get so now look at description don't do already. Car and trucks, SUV and van, all that. You don't know see that one are just normal individual car like the one we see the other time. You get so motorcycles, those bikes and all that. Bro, if you sabi really you go understand all the same with you get. So now if you want post car now, choose something like this. So the model, the year. We'll go back again to another post. So now if you see this car now, okay, most of these Mercedes Benz, look at 2014. So now using the ask you the other time say the model like which year be the car like when the like the cars they get year by year you get and different kind of model you get and some kind of specifications you see go make the company say okay yes this is a Mercedes Benz C blah 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 2014 you get so all this kind of thing you go need like get them down. So now after filling all these details, yeah, I don't really tell you the year. So they make now when they actually make, the way Tesla did and then they be like car maker. You get Benz car maker, Toyota Camry. You get look what they put look what they put what do you call them? Okay now let's say Sienna. You won't put Sienna now. You can't put Sienna for make. You can't put Toyota for model. Now the best be that no be see we go put Sienna for Toyota for make and Sienna for model. Or I think yeah, something like that. Sure. You get number of owners. How many times the car don't get like if you just put one location, you go see they go ask you for your listen GPS location and you go gas one apply. So now if you do this now, no the rush, you get no rush. If you don't apply this location stuff here now, you don't already applied already. You get so now decide to get cars, like you get listed cars already. So now pause the video so I'll show you the link where you will get the car stuff and all that.